Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in this video, we are going to discuss about function interfaces. So far now we have a basic understanding of how lambda expression can be written, right? Now we know how a lambda expression works, why we use lambda expression, and we saw the some great impact of lambda expressions. Look at this method. Square has been reduced to one line. Same way, this method, length of message, and it gives this, we are reduced to this one line. So that's how powerful the lambda expression is. Okay, so that's one thing, and the next part you can say that's a half portion of our code. Half portion is function interfaces. So when this Java language was developed, it was all about object oriented programming. That means everything revolves around object. But later, because Java was getting behind from other languages, it was getting old and there was nothing new to do that. So what this guy did, they added functions. So now Java is no more object oriented language. It has some functional based programming. So now onwards you can write some functions as well. And how do we write functions? Through interfaces. So combinedly we call this function interfaces. Earlier it was just primitive type which makes some kind of a loophole where we can say that Java is not purely object oriented. Though there is a wrapper class for them, so we can on the basis of wrapper classes we can say Java is an object oriented programming language. All because of everything in Java is an object. Even for primitives we have wrapper types like int for integer, float, double, the wrapper classes. But when it comes to like enhancing or adding some more functionality, they were lagging behind. So they have added the Java guide who are Oracle right now. They released or they added this functional programming into it. So now Java is no more a purely object oriented. It has some support for functions. And how do we use that? Through lambda expressions. How? Later will that. But for now, function interface is just an interface that contains only one abstract method. Okay, this is the key thing. If someone says what is a function interface, you have to say it's an interface which contains only one abstract method, and they just have one functionality to present, to exhibit, right? We sometimes call them single abstract method interfaces. In short, SAM interfaces, single abstract method. That means it just have one abstract method. Function interfaces are used and executed by representing the interface with an annotation called at functional interface. That means if I have to create my own function interface, I have to mark that interface with at function interface annotation. So if it is like public void, let's say a. Oh, sorry, my bad. It's the interface. So interface. So if I want this interface to be a function interface, I need to write this annotation at top of it. And yep, we are good. So now I can say this is a function interface, and if it is a function interface, there must be only one abstract method. So I can say public void m1 and semicolon. That's it. So now this is a perfect example for any function interface. How it works, what are the possibilities, and how we use it, we will see this in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video for some more concepts on function interfaces, and later we will combine these two topics, lambda expression and function interfaces. Okay, bye bye.